Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ketenat election jong ke sorkar jela kala ai por sau phopraganta ya ke seng Bharatiya Janata Party ban jubab hak baya deibar ke jing penon kam jong uba ALHEC menteri ketenat ke koit kakhia daka kali sorkar hak por balik yalap election yau kurtong ke BJP hak handuli. Habaya keren bat ke Batisi TV hak santarik uyayong Chief Electoral Officer uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor ulayathu banakaliang ketenat election Lengbau District Election Officer ke West Jaintia Hills District kala shimkhia hak baya dei bat kani bat kala paru lengba ke show cause notice syak seng BJP bahkan pensyai hak baya dei bat ke jing penon kam jong uba ALHEC daka kali sorkar ban le yarap kanbas election yau kurtong MP jong ke seng BJP uba Sanbor Shulai hak handuli kabalong persya ya Model Code of Conduct jongka Election Commission of India.
As soon as we saw the reports in the media, because this incident was supposed to have taken place in a place called Khanduli in West Jaintia Hills district. So as soon as that report was seen, then the returning officer and the district election officer have sent for an inquiry report from the sector officer and from the police who was in charge of that particular area to ascertain whether that model code of violation actually took place. So then the DEO has just received the report from the sector officer and the police, and they have confirmed that indeed there was a violation of model code of conduct, and as a consequence of that there was a show cause notice issued by the district election officer to the person concerned through his party to reply and to present his side of the story on the alleged violation of model code of conduct.
How many days, sir?
He has been given 48 hours.
48 hours. Okay,
Yes.
After his reply, then you will take a call.
After the reply, then the course of action will be known. It may be taken up with the Election Commission, or there may be some other course of action which will be there. But let us wait for the response first.